how to lock or unlock your PNC debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So can we lock or unlock our PNC debit card instantly if it gets lost, stolen, or we just want extra security? Well, yes we can. And in this video, I'll show you how to lock or unlock your PNC debit card step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, simply find and tap on the account linked to your debit card and then just tap on the card services or scroll to find the manage card or card action option. And after that, you simply have to select lock card or lock debit card and a quick confirmation screen will appear. So there you just have to tap confirm or lock to proceed. And once you do that, your card will be locked and it cannot be used for purchases, ATM withdrawals or transfers, but recurring payments may still go through. And here with that, I will also show you how to unlock your PNC debit card. So to do that, simply head back to the same manage card section, and after that just have to tap on unlock card and confirm your action. And once you do that, the card will be active again right away. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.